Yes, yes, I am. Okay. So now, are we ready to do exercise? Would you all like to do exercise? Yes or no? You're like, right? So we are going. See, teacher sitting on the floor. Okay. Then you can sit. If you're on a bed, also you have to fold your legs. How you fold your legs? Take your one leg inside and the other leg
Holding
down.
he pressed.
Yes. Okay. So you have to fold your legs. So shall we start with the exercise? Exercise. And today we are going to do some breathing. When you do breathing, it will keep you fresh for
हाथ
the
से ना वो
whole
लगाया करे जो
it will
हार
keep you
खांसी.
fresh for the whole day. Okay. Now I'm muting everybody. Yes. Okay. So when you do breathing, you are fresh for the whole day. Fine. So let's breathe. Let's breathe. Okay? When you breathe, keep your hand on your stomach. You can feel your stomach is coming out. Your stomach is going in. So let's do breathing. Keep your hands over here and breathe, breathe. Keep your hands here. Keep your hands on your stomach and breathe in, out. Let's breathe 3 times. Okay. One more time. One more time. Oh, your stomach blows like a balloon, isn't it? Yes. Now let's rub our hands. Let's rub our hands. Can I see everybody rubbing? Very good. Rub, 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 rub. Rub your hands and put it on your eyes. Put it on your face. And we will keep it on your heart. Where is your heart? Here, now put it on the center. Put this on the center. Now breathe, breathe, breathe. Today all kinds of breathing we are doing. Come on, breathe, breathe, breathe. Come on, breathe one more time. Did you feel? Yes, breathing. Yes. Where is your heart? Your heart is here. Yes, in your chest. Now we'll make a heart. Now what are we going to do? Touch all the tips of your fingers. Can you touch like this? All the tips of your fingers and your palm also. Touch, 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 and keep it over here. Oh, this becomes your heart. Where does it? Put it at the center. Can you do this like teacher? Join all the tips of your fingers and then your palm. Keep it over here. This is your heart. Have you made your heart? Everybody has made your heart? Yes. Give your the energy from the heart to your mama. Give. Yay, this is your heart and it is giving energy. Come on, one more time, one more time. Breathe. Yes. Okay. So this was your heart. Where's your heart? Inside. Yes, you breathe. No, can you feel your heartbeat? Yes, breathing gives you lot of energy for the whole day. Now, what are we going to do? Keep your hands over here on your knees. Okay, these are your knees. Keep your hands over here. You're going to make a big circle. Are you ready to make a big circle? Come on, make a big circle with me. 1. Come on. 2. Very good. Make a big circle. 3. Yes. One more time. 4. And 5. Okay, now other way around. Anti-clockwise. One more. This time, ulta will go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Did you make a nice big circle? Did you do? Yes. Now what are we going to do? You're going to keep one hand on this side on the floor and the other hand will make a rainbow. Manita teacher taught you a rainbow. Come on, come on, come on. How many colors are there in the rainbow? See, I have a rainbow behind. See, it's becoming like a rainbow. Come on, your hand on the floor and this hand will go. 1, 2, same side 3 times and then 3. Very good. I can see Hamza doing very good. Then this hand here, this side rainbow. 1, very good. 2 and 3. Yes. How was the rainbow? There are so many colors in the rainbow. You will feel fresh like a rainbow in the sky. Wow. Now what else exercise are we going to do? We did the rainbow. We saw your heart. Now we are going to bend your legs. Okay. So take your legs in the front. Will you take your legs in the front? Teacher sitting this way. Okay. So that you can see teacher's legs. Fine. So we are going to bend your toes. Only 3 times. Come on. 1, 2. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. How you wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Very good. Make a circle with your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Did you do? Very good. Very come on. Are we ready? Are we feeling fresh?
Yes, yeah. Jabin teacher, they're very happy. They're doing it very well. Yes, and they're waiting for our art and craft session. Monica
yes, so
teacher
let's
is
join our hands and say our prayers and let's do our art and craft today. A new teacher is coming, so fast say our prayers. Come on. And then we are going to see a new teacher today. Come on. Let's join our hands. Say our prayers. Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless mommy, daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning. You know who's come today? Today is Monica teacher. She's going to teach you something for art and craft. Have you kept the things ready? Good morning. Have you kept all the things ready? So let's call Monica teacher. She is going to teach you something nice today. And you know what is that? Some surprise. You're going to make it with your own hands. She told you to keep circles ready. So let's call Monica teacher. Monica teacher, and every Saturday also Monica teacher is going to come. So you come on Saturday also so you can learn more nice things with Monica teacher. This is Monica teacher. Say hi, good morning. Monica teacher, you are on mute, okay?
Where is Monica teacher? Where is Monica teacher? Hi, Monica teacher.
Monica
Where
teacher,
are you?
So Monica teacher is going to make nice things today.
Hello everyone.
Wow, she's here.
My new partners with you all. Hello everyone. How are you all today? So, are you all ready for the fun and exciting room? Okay everyone. Are you all get ready with your all the required materials? I told you na, just bring one Fevistick or Fevicol, one scissor, which is not going to use by you, as I told you, and the sketch pens, and one color paper, and one, one pencil also to do the sketching part. So are you all ready? Are you all ready, everyone? So now, without wasting the time, we are moving to our creative session. Okay, everyone? So hold your breath and move your hands. Everyone? So today, I'm going to show you how to make the feeding birds. Okay, everyone? And now, look at this. Can you see the feeding birds? I have the complete family with me. You see this? So today we are going to make this. Okay, everyone? So now what you have to do, take this paper and then take the lid or the bowl with you, the ball with you, and you have to start tracing. Look at this. I'm
Everybody
showing
do
you.
it, Monica teacher. Make a circle.
Look, everyone.
And let
You
Mama
have
help
to
you.
keep this like this the paper, and you have to make a circle like this. You have to trace this. Okay, everyone, try to do this.
Come on, make a circle. Everybody
Yes,
make a circle.
very good.
Big circle, small
And then
circle.
and you have to, and now Mr. Mandy, your friend, Mr. Mandy, he says, what he is saying, I'm going to cut my own. No, 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 you are not supposed to cut the paper. Okay, it will hurt your fingers. So tell your mother or tell to me to cut this circle. Okay, everyone? So now
Yeah,
tell your
Mama.
parents to cut this circle like this.
Come on, everybody, cut your circle. I can
Tell
see.
your parents.
Yeah, you
Nobody
all want to
will
make
do
your bird,
their
no?
own.
So everybody cut your circle. Big children
Yes.
you can cut,
So
can
this
cut.
is this
If
big
not,
circle
go
is
to
to
Mama
make
and
the
get the circles cut.
body part. So we are going to cut this, and now this is the circle. You have to cut like this, everyone. And what you have to do, you have to make it fold in the half. आपको इसको half fold करना है. It will be like a semicircle.
Wow,
Okay,
nice
everyone?
semicircle you've learned.
Yes. And now you have to keep it aside. आपको इसको side में रखना है. And what you have to do, you have to draw a small circle for the head. So again, I'm showing you. You have to draw a small circle for the head like this. Okay? And then again, you have to tell your parents to cut it out. Try. Very good. I can see each and every one of you that you are enjoying a lot. Even Mr. Mandy told me that, may I cut this circle? But no, nobody can cut this circle. You have to take your help with your guardians or your parents. They will help you out to cut this circle. Okay? And then my second circle is ready. Yes, everyone. Very good. And then if we will not keep her the bird beak, how she will eat? So for that, what we have to do? We have to cut a small triangle. You know the shape triangle? You have to make a small triangle and like this for the beak. वो खाना कैसे खाएगी? How she will eat the? Okay, so you have to cut this triangle also. Then I'm going to cut this. Okay, everyone? Very good. Now the small triangle is ready for the beak. Yes, everyone? Very good. And then what you have to do? What you have to do? Just get ready with the Fevicol or the Fevistick with you all. Do you have all this with you? Yes. So now we have three parts with me. There is the body, There is a head. Very good. And there is a beak. And now what we have to do? We have to assemble them all. Okay. And now for that, what we have to do? Just a little drop of Fevicol, or you can use the Fevistick on the head. Just like this on the head, and you have to stick on the corner like this.
Wow. Lovely.
Hey everyone, Mr. Mandy is very happy. He is very happy today. He is very happy. He is dancing. He is very happy today.
Monica teacher,
Yes.
there are no eyes on the bird.
Yes, ma'am.
No eyes on the bird.
Oh, yes. We are coming to that part also. How she will look if you don't have eyes? Can you see me? No. So that what we have to do, we'll make the eye also, but she need a beak also, na? How she will eat? So we are going to stick the beak first. Okay, everyone. Now put some Fevicol or the Fevistick on the part of the head. So we are going to stick like this. Can you everybody can see this? Can see? Can you all see this? And now, even how can she fly also? Which thing will use for to fly? To fly in the sky, the clouds, wings. Okay, so we are going to make wings also and eye also. So everybody, what we have to do? We have to make a wing using any your favorite sketch color. I'm going to use this blue color because I'm using this blue paper. Okay, so look at this, everyone.
Yes, you all can draw wings. Everybody can draw wings.
Yes, everybody can draw.
Come on, whatever you can draw, please draw your wings.
Now look at this.
Oh, so sweet.
Yes, and now eye is still remaining. How can she look at you? Who is doing, who is making me or not? Who is making my family or not? Now, what you have to do? You have to make a eye by using the black color. Which color of eyes we have? We have black color eye. So again, I'm going to make a black color eye. Can everybody make this? Yes, now our bird is ready. And now you can make white from the back like this. Everyone, and then you can place it on the table like this. Okay, everyone. And now what we can do? Now from the back. Now she is.
Show me, all of you. Show me your bird. Who's
Show
swimming?
me.
Show me your bird. Yes, Griva's bird is very cute. And what do you eat? What do birds eat, Monica teacher? Lovely. I can see Hussein's bird. Very nice. I can see Zara Motiwala's Prisha. Lovely. Mustafa also lovely.
Very good, Amira, Nivan.
Very
can see
nice.
Ummehani,
I have
Gaurang, come on, cut it. You have the paper. Farah, very good.
Vedant, yes,
Priyansh,
Vedant,
very
very
good.
good.
Come on, let's see
Riyan,
on screen too.
Sharvari,
Very
Saad,
good. Come on, show me your bird. Ummehani, very nice. Meet,
Look
show me your
at
bird.
everyone.
Buranuddin, Mithai Wala, very good.
very good.
Great,
Please,
very
Trisha
nice.
also. Trisha,
Look everyone, I have the
Sakina,
complete
very
family.
good.
The
Hussain,
mother bird,
Salman, very good.
father bird,
Anisha,
baby
very
bird.
good. Yes.
Yes.
wow, teacher has made so many birds. Monica
Lovely.
teacher. Ah,
Yes, I
so
have
many.
a complete family.
Yeah, let's sing
Family.
everybody together. Fly like birds, fly,
Birds
fly,
fly.
fly. Fly like birds, fly, fly, fly. Let's all have fun together. Let's all have fun together. And Monica teacher, what are the birds eating?
They are eating the seeds. Have you all learned about the germination of seeds today? So they are
Let us
eating
learn
the
now.
seeds.
Yeah, they are.
Yes.
Very
Oh,
nice,
I can see the lovely birds all over here. They are chirping, they are eating, and they are dancing also. Yes, I can see them. So now you can make lots of birds and you can keep them in a one tray. You can put some grains also and the wheat and any seed, and you can click the pic and you can send on the WhatsApp. Okay, everyone. So everybody enjoyed this activity. So tomorrow be ready with more and more, lots of fun for you all tomorrow. Okay, everyone. See you then tomorrow. So we'll become with more exciting activities for you all. Okay. So be ready. Yes, be ready for more fun. Okay, everyone. So now give bye to
Say thank
Mr.
you,
Mandy
Monica.
also.
Thank
Mandy
you,
and Monica teacher.
teacher.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if you all
Thank you,
want more art and
everyone.
craft, tomorrow you again come in, Monica teacher.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you, Monica teacher.
Bye.
Very nice. Come on now, everybody. Okay, let's all sing. Fly like birds, fly, fly, fly. Fly like birds, fly, fly, fly. Let's all have fun together. Let's all have fun together.
Yeah. Lubaina ma'am, unmute yourself. Okay.
Monica teacher has taught you a nice bird. And when the bird is very hungry, what will the bird do? The bird will fly, 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 and it will come down. And what will the birds eat? Grains. The birds will eat seeds. The bird likes to eat grains. And with the small beak, the bird will eat the grains. So yes, what do birds eat? Birds eat grains. Now keep all your birds away. Let's keep all the birds away. Afterwards, we'll put grains and make them eat. Okay? So everybody keep all your... Are you ready? Yes. Now, you know where have we come? Lovely. Look, look, look. We have come to a farm. And you know you want to meet the farmer? Oh, ho, ho, ho. I am Ramu the farmer. Who is he? Yes, Ramu the farmer. His name is Ramu. And where do you stay, Ramu? I live in the farm. This is my farm. And we'll ask Ramu, Ramu, आप farm पे क्या करते हो? What do you do on the farm? So Ramu says, I grow crops. मैं बहुत सारे crops grow करता हूँ. मैं बहुत सारे plants grow करता हूँ. And I am a farmer. Then I sell all the fruits and vegetables I grow on my farm. So then the Baina teacher asked Ramu, Ramu, how do you grow plants? plants कैसे grow होते हैं? So Ramu said, I'll show you. What do I have with me? I have seeds. See, what are these? These are the seeds. And what does Ramu do? Ramu takes the seeds like this and then he puts it on the field. He plows the seed. So he puts it on the field. वो field में जाता है. And then what does Ramu do? Ramu के पास क्या है? What is this? Ramu has a plow, khurpa. वो बोलते हैं ना? What does he do? He puts all the seed in the soil and then he plows, 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 plows. Then he plows the soil. Then the plants will grow like that? No. Who will come to look after the plant? There is Mr. Sun. Can you see Mr. Sun? He's shining bright. And then he will see, oh my God, the crops need sunlight. और वो पूरा sunlight देगा. Then you know what happens? But the crop will not grow only with sunlight. The crop also needs something more. And you know what the crop will need? What is this? The crop needs water. इसमें क्या है? This is a watering can. And the crop needs water. I'll show you a small watering. See what comes out of the crop. And like that. See? Ooh, all the water will come out like, yeah, you'll get wet. See, this is a watering can. And what happens? The crop needs sunlight. The crop needs water. And what else the crop needs? The crop also needs air. And then when the crop gets everything, when the seed gets everything, then the crop will start growing. Grow. It will start growing. So then this farmer Ramu is very happy when the crop is grown. He will take all the crop, he will cut. And then he will go to the market and he will sell. Market में सब crops, fruits बेचेगा, vegetable बेचेगा and उसको बहुत सारे पैसे मिलेंगे. This is how he does his business. Papa does business, no? This is how the farmer does his business. He grows crop. Okay, now let's sing a song for Ramu. Ramu explained us everything now. So let's sing. चना किसने बोया किसने बोया किसने बोया रे चना मैंने बोया फार्मर ने बोया रे चना कैसे बोया रे चना ऐसे बोया रे पानी कैसे डाला रे पानी ऐसे डाला रे सूरज कैसे चमका रे सूरज ऐसे चमका रे चना किसने काटा रे चना मैंने काटा रे चना किसने खाया रे चना मैंने खाया रे. Yes, you like this song? Every time in school we sing this song, na? Chana kisne boya. Now all in big fields, Ramu does all this work. He's the farmer. He looks after the crops. He puts all the seed in the soil. And every day looks after the crop. Just like mama looks after you, no? Mama आपकी देखभाल करते हैं ना? वैसे रामू पूरे crops की say thank you Ramu. अगर रामू देखभाल नहीं करेगी, farmer देखभाल नहीं करेगी, where will we get? Yes, we will not get any fruits. We will not get any vegetables. So Ramu is a very useful worker. He always helps us. Okay. So this was Ramu's story. But you know, in big fields, if we don't have water, if we don't, in fields it is very big, the farm is very big, and this is very small, you can't water everywhere. So they use sprinklers. In school you all saw, no? What is this? Sprinklers. They put a pipe here and they open the tap. They join the pipe to the tap, and when they on the tap, all water comes out and the water goes round and round. Dur tak pani jata hai. So there is no need to water this with the watering can. Okay. So what is this called? Sprinklers. In all the farms, in all big farms, you see the plants get watered by the sprinkler. Okay. So this is a sprinkler. So this was Ramu's farm. But what happens if Ramu to farm mein ugata hai? But if we want to grow plants, आप भी उगा सकते हो ना? You can grow, Lubaina teacher can grow, Jabin teacher can grow, Munira teacher can grow. Everybody can grow. Now today's candy is you have to take a pot. If you don't have a pot, if you have any dabba, you can take that. And you have to put soil. What is this? Soil, matti. In Hindi you call it matti. So first Lubaina teacher put soil. Then in the box, those who have a small pot, you can take the pot also. Then you have to put the seed. See, I'm putting the seed in the soil. What am I putting? Seeds in the soil. Okay. I have put the soil. Then I have put the seed. Now, will the plant grow? No, the plant will not grow. जैसे आपको भूख लगी है तो मम्मा आपको खाना देती है ना, मम्मा आपको पानी, आप थर्स्टी रहते हो तो आप पानी पीते हो ना. So even the crop will not grow. So we need to water. The crop needs thirsty. The seed is thirsty. So you are going to water. Yes. If you don't have this, you have to water with a glass. Okay, take water in the glass and then you have to water. Oh my God. Now, will the plant grow? अगर आप घर के अंदर बेड के पास रखेंगे तो plant will grow? No, the plant needs sunlight. सूरज, सूरज कैसे चमका, कैसे चमका, कैसे चमका रे? So the सूरज will come whenever there is a सूरज. Then only you have to put the plant outside in your balcony. Then the sun will give light. Oh, the plant needs light. Let me give light. And then your plant will start growing. Okay, your plant will start growing. Slowly, 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 slowly. And see, Lubaina teacher did it. And the plant start growing like this. Yummy. I can see the leaves in the plant. I can see the stem of the plant. Wow, this is my methi ka sabzi. I'm going to eat this. You can grow your own vegetables. You can grow your own fruits also. If you have a big garden, then you can grow your fruits also. So this is how it grows. It doesn't grow in one day. Every day you have to water. You have to put it in the sunlight and the plant will start growing. And you want to see the fun part? Lubaina teacher has taken an eggshell. See how she's put what soil? She put some methi, kotmir, dhania, and see, wow! And then she made some eyes and nose, and cute. These are decorative. You can have decorative plants also in your hall. And see, I have two. 1, 2. Aha! Look at me. I've got kotmir ke hair. My hair is all of leaves. So this is how plants can be fun, okay? So this is how plants grow. And one more thing I forgot. Who's this? Oh, he's a scarecrow. Farmer क्या करता है? अपने fields में he puts a scarecrow. डरावना. And you know who gets scared of the scarecrow? All the birds. You all meet birds today, no? The birds like to eat grain, no? So when the farmer grain डालता है, तो ऊपर से कौन आके खा जाता है? Birds eat the grain. Then the farmer says, "Oh my God, my plant will not grow. Sab seeds bird ने खा गया." So what happens? he puts a scarecrow, and the scarecrow, whoosh, 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 he will fly away all the birds. Whoosh, whoosh. He will just move and the birds will get scared. Okay, so this is called a scarecrow. You don't see it everywhere. You will only see in the farms. Okay, so this is the farmer and this is the scarecrow, because he cannot sit every day in the farm and take care of his plants, no? So he puts a scarecrow so that all the birds fly away. Seeing it, they get scared and they run away, they fly away. They don't come to eat the grains. Okay, so this was about you are growing. This was Ramu's farm, and this was Lubaina teacher's plant, how to grow inside. Now, so did we learn? What did we learn? We learned who's the 5 friend of Ramu? Ramu के 5 friends है. पता है रामू के कौन है 5 friends? Show you. Wow. Yes. The first friend of Ramu is the seed. What is this? Everybody say seed. Ramu's first friend is the seed. He wants a seed to grow his crop. So his best friend is seed. Okay. Then to put the seed where will he put the seed? On his head? No. On his nose? No. In the soil. He will put the seed in the soil. His second friend is the soil. Okay, his second friend is the soil. Ah, then who is Ramu's third friend? Who is this friend? Sun. Sun is his third friend, because agar sun nahi aayega, so the plant will die. The crop will not jayega. Plant ko sunlight, aapko bhi sunlight rehti hai na? Mama bolte aap jao garden mein khelne. And when you go in the garden, you get the sunlight. Okay, the sun is giving you light and you become strong. वैसे ही plants को भी sunlight लगती है. So Ramu's third friend is the sunlight. Now, who is the fourth friend of Ramu? Water. Okay, water. You have to water the plants. अगर natural, what is natural water? जब बारिश आती है ना, when the clouds bang, then all the water comes. Okay, that is natural water. But बारिश हमेशा आती है? No, only in rainy season. So when it is summer time, you have to use water. You have to water the plants. अगर आपको प्यास लगती है, आप बोलते हैं मम्मा प्लीज गिव मी वाटर. अगर मम्मा पानी नहीं देती तो आप इतना तंग हो जाते हो ना. You tell mama I want water. Same way plants also need water. And the last friend is the air. आपको गर्मी लगती है ना? Whenever you feel hot, you switch on the fan. Same way the plant also needs air to breathe, to make the food. So the plant also needs air. Okay, so these are the 5 friends. Show me your 5. Give me high 5. Okay, now first, seed. Everybody say seed. Come on, open your thumbs up. Seed. Then soil. Then sunlight, sun. Then water. And last is air. So these are the 5 friends of Ramu, of the farmer. Even the other 5 friends of you also, because if you're going to grow. Now when the Friday candy is, you have to take a pot, you have to put the seed, you have to water, you have to put it in the sunlight. And then when the plant grows, it will not grow today. By Monday, it will grow. Okay. And you have to send me a picture. Okay. So this was about the seed. Now, do you want to listen to a story of the seed? Yes, everybody is ready. Yes, show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Yes. Now, this is Ramu's farm. I told you, this is Ramu's farm. And Ramu comes here every day to see everything in his farm, whether his plant is growing. So one day, he came in his farm. Tick, 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 tick. And then you know what happened? He saw somebody crying. So Ramu said, who are you? Why are you crying? She said, I am a little seed. मेरे कोई friends नहीं है. I don't have any friends and I am out of my house. I have lost my way. I don't know where to go. So Ramu says, don't worry. I will put you in your house. And then he takes the seed. And where does Ramu put him? In his house. In the soil. Yeah. See, this is the soil. And he puts the seed in the soil. Now, first the seed was sad, no? Now the seed has got his home. So the seed is happy. Yay! I am back in my house. Ramu says, don't worry. You will be happy in your house. I will come every day to see you. So Ramu said, the seed says, okay. Then, next day what happened? What happened to the seed? What happened? Yes. Ramu comes next day. La, 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 la. Hello, seed. How are you? The seed says, I am happy. When you put me in the soil, मुझे सूरज ने sunlight दिया, मुझे clouds में से rain water दिया. So I am very happy. And then small shoot comes out. See what comes out? A small shoot. देखो seed में से क्या grow हो रहा है? This is a small shoot comes out. Yes, because the sun gave sunlight, the rain gave water. The seed has started growing. So the seed is happy. So Ramu says, very good. I will come back tomorrow. Bye. And Ramu goes away. Now, next day what happens? What happens? The seed begins to grow. And what grows on the seed? Down क्या होता है? Roots, आपके legs रहते हैं ना? वैसे seed के roots होते हैं. They are the legs. And where do the roots go? In the soil, under the ground. And then what came on the head? You have hair, no? So the seed also started growing. And seed के ऊपर क्या निकला? Stem. Because the sun gave sunlight, the cloud gave water, the rain gave water, the seed started growing. And there, the seed started growing. Yes, the roots have also left. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, who comes next day? Ramu comes. La 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 la. And he says, hello, seed. How are you? And he's shocked. What happened? Seed के नीचे root निकल गया. Seed के ऊपर stem निकल गया. And he says, wow, now you're looking very nice. You're growing. The seed says, yes, I got sunlight. I got water. I'm very happy and I'm growing. I'm going to become like Papa. So the Ramu says, okay, grow, bye. I'll come tomorrow. And the next day, when Ramu came, what happened? What did he see? The seed had become a plant. The seed had become a plant. Yes, this is the roots of the seed. This is the stem of the seed. These are the leaves of the seed. And this is a flower of the seed. Okay. From this, it became a flower and then plant. And then Ramu came and said, wow, you have grown into a beautiful plant. Lovely. Thank you. And the seed also says, thank you, Ramu, for taking care of me. And then that is how the plant grows. And the seed was very happy. And there it grew. Some seeds become trees. Some seeds become plant. And what comes on the plant? Stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, all the things starts growing. Okay. So did you like the story of the seed? Yes. Whenever you see the seed, you must not stamp it.
Yes.
The seed we have to put in the ground. The seed will grow on your head? No. The seed will grow in the soil. Okay. So now I'm going to show you something very nice. Here. Can you see? Lovely. Yes. See, this is Tina. This looks like Griva. This is a cute little Griva with her ponies. Okay. Now Grima wants to grow the plant. Griva has a nice garden. And Griva says, I want to grow plants in my garden. And she's got a lot of soil also in the garden. This is the soil. So what Griva does? See, Griva has so many seeds, right? Griva has so many seeds. She'll put it in the soil. This is the way we sow the seeds. Sow the seeds. Sow the seeds. This is the way we sow the seeds to grow my own plant. Then Griva will come with the watering can. I showed you the watering can. See, Griva also has a watering can in her hand. And she will water. She'll water. Then who will come out? Sun. See, the sun is also there. The sun will come out and give sunlight. Does the sun give light in the night? No, only in the morning, afternoon, till 5:30, 6 o'clock. The sun will give light. And then goes, 2 day goes, and then slowly. Oh, what's happening? Oh my God! Griva's plant is growing. Yay!